Hey guys, I'm down here at Raceworks HQ, who have a huge range of performance gear for your track, road or race car. But today we're going to be looking at their top of the range 200 and 220 series fittings and how to fit them to your car. Both hoses are constructed from a Teflon inner tube, which makes them resistant to oils, fuels, nitrous, brake and clutch fluids. They can also withstand temperatures from -70 to 250 degrees and have a maximum burst pressure of over 1000 psi. Both the 200 and 220 series hoses are the best hose to use for fuel systems, as they will not allow any permeation of fuel smell. Okay, much like the other hoses, for this we will need a vise, Raceworks soft jaws, a good set of hose cutters, a roll of masking tape, a small flat screwdriver and our adjustable AN spanner. The first step is to wrap a couple of layers of tape around the hose where we want to make our cut. This will prevent the braid on the hose from fraying. Then, using our hose cutters, cut the hose to length. Once you're done, remove the tape. Make sure the hose is still round. If not, with a pair of pliers, gently squeeze it back into shape. Taking our fitting, undo the socket from the hose end, then slide the socket into the hose, making sure the threaded end is facing outwards. Using our flat blade screwdriver, carefully separate the braid from the Teflon liner, making sure you do not damage the liner in the process. Now slide the olive, tapered end in, over the Teflon liner and under the braid, making sure you do not trap any of the braid between the olive and the liner. Push the hose into the olive until the liner is seated and square. I normally use the side of the vise to push against, as it makes the job a bit easier. Taking our hose end, lock it into the vise, making sure it's tight but not too tight as to crush the fitting. Now we take our hose and push it over the nipple until we engage a thread and start to screw it on, being very careful not to cross thread the fitting as you start it. Then, using our adjustable AN spanner, tighten the hose end onto the socket until there's about a 1mm gap between the hose end and the socket. To finish, make sure you align the flat surfaces for that ultimate professional look. Well, there you have it, the best of the best from Raceworks. Quite easy to install, but also top quality.
Right.